How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the new update, now you should be able to set nicknames for the Instagram chats as well. But before that, make sure to update your app to the latest version. Head over to Play Store or App Store and type in Instagram in the search bar. If there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it. Once that is done, launch the application and log in using your credentials. Now tap on the messenger icon which is on the top right corner, which is to go to your DM section. After this, click on the conversation whereby you want to set up the nickname. After that, you will see these options. Tap on nickname and then you can edit the nickname as well. You just have to write in and click on done and the nickname is set up. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.